Hi everyone, this is June Blender at Sapient Technologies with a little reminder about the enclosure features in PowerShell Studio 2016. When scripting in Windows PowerShell, we use enclosures like brackets, braces, and parentheses all the time, so PowerShell Studio has some features to make them exceptionally easy to use. For example, when I type in opening parenthesis, PowerShell Studio automatically adds the closing parenthesis and places my cursor in between, so I'm ready to type. It works with braces as well. I type an opening curly brace, PowerShell Studio adds the closing curly brace and places my cursor inside. And it works with brackets. I type the opening square bracket, PowerShell Studio adds the closing square bracket and places my cursor in between. I really like the way it handles strings that I've already typed. For example, I want to enclose this test path command in parentheses to use it as the condition for an if statement. I highlight it, press the Ctrl key, and then type the opening parenthesis. PowerShell Studio encloses the phrase in parentheses. Want to see that again? I'm going to use Ctrl Z to undo it. Whoops. I highlight the phrase, press Ctrl, and then type the opening parenthesis. And PowerShell Studio encloses the entire highlighted phrase in parentheses. It works with braces too. Let me take this copy item command and highlight it. I press the Ctrl key and then type the opening curly brace. All I need now is my if, and I'm ready to go. It works for brackets as well. I highlight this type. PowerShell Studio requires that it be enclosed in square brackets to use it. So I press the Ctrl key and then press the opening square bracket. And it works for quotation marks. This path includes spaces, so it needs to be enclosed in quotation marks. I press the Ctrl key and then type either single or double quotes. Let's undo that and then show you that it works with single quotes as well. It not only works with single or double quotes, but you can also toggle between them. This path includes a variable, so it needs to be enclosed in double quotes so that the value of the variable is resolved before the getItem command runs. But say I make a mistake. I press Ctrl and enclose it in single quotes, but I want to change those to double quotes. I place my cursor before the first single quote. I press Ctrl and Alt, and then I type the quote key. Now I'm holding down Ctrl and Alt to toggle between them, and just pressing the quote key. If for any reason you don't like the feature that adds the closing brace, on the Home tab in the Windows section, click Options, then click Editor, and in the Autoinsert section, the Autoinsert closing enclosure checkboxes are available, and you can enable and disable them as you like them. I really like them, so I keep them enabled. So those are the enclosure features in PowerShell Studio 2016. Now that you know about them, I hope they save you some time. Have a great day.